Hello, my dear viewers. Today I'm again here for a new lecture. Today's topic is mobile marketing. First we will discuss why mobile marketing. Mobiles have gained unprecedented importance in our lives. People around the world choose mobile devices as their preferred medium to connect with other people, gather informations, or even do business. Various kinds of mobile marketing campaigns. Now we will discuss what type of mobile marketing campaigns can be designed. First one can be SMS campaign, then mobile website campaign, mobile apps campaign, mobile advertising campaign, mobile social media campaign, marketing campaign, mobile email marketing campaign, and m-commerce campaign. Mobile technology and research. It can get anywhere, anytime access. Mobile apps are easier than websites. Advertisements should be personalized. Social media is a prime channel. Mobiles are turning into microcomputers. Mobile technologies. Then we can mobile marketing strategy. What kind of strategies we can follow? Research for information, identify your target audience, define the value of your offerings, and outline your goals and objectives. Then comes the SMS campaign, a text messaging platform, creating a user flow diagram, carrier approval certification, common short codes, and an opt-in marketing program. Mobile website marketing strategies, developing your domain strategy, designing your mobile website, creating mobile friendly content. uh, Create a mobile friendly content static content, dynamic content, downloadable content, and streaming content. These are the content types you can make for the mobile users. Mobile apps marketing strategies. Design your app for multiple devices and platforms. Different ways to make market your mobile application. Mobile advertising ecosystem. Make interactive ads, encourage audience for sign-ups and grab offers. Geo-target your mobile and campaigns to make them more relevant and to convert every hit to your ad. Make it social, add or refresh social sharing to make it viral, thus increasing conversion rate. Choose the right channels, focus on trending channels and media that may give you higher yield. Keep performing micro experiments to identify what are the critical factors affecting audiences' behavior. Benefits of mobile advertisement. First one, the reach. Mobile phone is reaching people by 15% more than internet. Mobile marketing is drawing more clicks than internet marketing. Advertisers have high expectations with mobile advertising. Then comes the accessibility. Mobile comes handy to users. Mobile advertising follows people everywhere. Then comes time factor. People are available on mobile round the clock, which may not be possible with desktops. Cost. Mobile advertising costs much lesser than other types of advertising. It is lighter on your pocket, thus allowing you to advertise more on the same expenses. Then personalized. You can tailor your ad in a message. People find messages more intimate than other internet marketing methods. Then comes, how does the mobile social media marketing work? Amaze your customers with a catchy heading, image, or punchline. Share visual media like pictures and videos via social platforms. Engage social media users through your mobile app. Benefits of mobile social media marketing. Number 1, convenience. People find mobile social media networks handy over the desktops. It has now become a trend to tweet or update your status via smartphone. Intimacy. It offers customers a feel of personal touch. People find smartphones as personal assets. Wider reach. Presence of mobile devices are uh, much wider and remote than any other device of similar kind, thus providing you higher extent of exposure. Quick response. Customers' response is much faster. Well defined strategy. Mobile marketing can be very well strategies via social media, and targeted customers can be reached through demographic data. This may give you an idea of audience behavior. Real time action. You get real time action. This gives you an opportunity to focus high on certain factors and improve other aspects. Mobile email marketing. Optimize for devices and browsers. Choose an email marketing provider. Designing the email. Benefits of mobile email marketing. Capturing genuine sales leads or more subscribers. Capturing users' phone numbers, out coupon codes, and driving traffic to your website. Then comes m-commerce. Mobile commerce, or simply m-commerce, means engaging users in a buy or sell process via a mobile device. For instance, when someone buys an Android app or an iPhone app, that person is engaged in m-commerce. There are a number of content assets that can be bought and sold via a mobile device, such as games, applications, ringtones, subscriptions, etc. Decide where to sell and set up mobile billing. Mobile users statistics. 89% of mobile users always stay connected. 82% of mobile users research and read news. 75% get navigate. 65% gets entertained. 45% manage and plan to buy something. Then 70% use mobile devices to make purchase. 82% notice ads on mobile devices, of which around 42% go ahead to click on ads. Ways to know your mobile audience. Measure users' recordings. Here, every gesture of user is captured. This makes it easy to trap users' behavior. Heat maps give you a breakdown of users' action. You can see where they tap more and the need to change your user interface. Real time in app analytics give you an insight into the user's face and all the actions they do on their screens. So thank you, dear listeners and viewers, for listening to the lecture today, and I hope that you will apply these methods and get a good business. Thank you.